fantabulous. I'm amazed by the way author Sherry, as a mentor, keeps on giving. And I've said this before, I'll say this again. I'm totally amazed. How can someone be so sincere, be so freely giving, and be absolutely true to the core? You know, hats off. I salute you, sir.
Hello friends. When I started this course with author Sherry about a month ago, I was a totally blank slate. I had no expectations because I really did not know what I was getting into. But today, when the course is coming to an end, all I can say is that the journey has been amazing. And thank you, author Sherry, for giving us this opportunity. Friends, I cannot say that I have never stood up and given a speech, or I have never made a presentation before, because I was a corporate trainer too when I was in the US. However, all my events, all my seminars and all my presentations that I have done till today have all been in my area of expertise. So that was very easy for me to do. But here it was different, because here we were given a new topic every day and we had to work on it, we had to write the content, and then we had to deliver it. So it wasn't very easy. And if you remember, after the first two presentations, I actually chickened out. I wanted to drop out, but I am so glad I did not, because I would have missed a lifetime opportunity. And the reason that I was chickening out was because in the first two speeches that I made, the comments that author Sherry put was, you know, voice modulation karo, voice intonation karo, and energy dalo apni speech mein. And I didn't even know the meaning of intonation at that time. Voice modulation to I thought main kar lungi, I can handle. But energy kahan se lao? I could not match the energy of my classmates because half of them were even younger than my children. तो मैं कहाँ से लाऊं वो energy? So मैं सोचने लगी ये मेरे से नहीं होगा. I think I should give it up. But फिर मैंने सोचा, I think I mentioned before that I did my MBA from the US, my second MBA degree from the US. Here's the picture, in my 50s, and I actually passed out with a gold medal. So I thought, if I could do that, why can't I do this? And of course, I was encouraged a lot by author Sherry, and I'm so grateful to her.
Yes, you family, thanks to my papa. Author Sherry sir, आपके बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ? आजकल के टाइम में I feel किसी को टाइम देना is the most valuable thing you can give somebody, and in 30 days में 26th day तक I cannot even calculate, my maths is really poor, कि आपने कितना टाइम हम सबको दे दिया, and that time has helped us improve so much. पहले दिन से लेके आज तक आप हर किसी का वीडियो इतना डिटेल एनालिसिस करते हैं that it has given us so many thoughts, so many ideas to grow and to be better. मेरा PSU के 2 दिन पहले के मिस हो गए थे and I was like, अब शायद नहीं मैं ये कोर्स कर पाऊंगी. I've missed 2 days. But my first encounter was with Kara ma'am. Ma'am, you were so sweet and give me a push that no, it's okay. You're just 2 days late and you can go. It's the 3rd day right now. जो first encounter होता है किसी भी institute के साथ, I feel that develops an expression. And sir, the way you motivate us is really important in today's time. हर कोई बस वो एक मोटिवेशन की तैयारी में होता है. मैं आपको बताऊं, जब मैं अपना वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन का कोर्स करने गई थी, to become a public speaker was one of the main things in my mind, but due to my other professions, somehow वो fade out होता गया. And then I didn't think about it. पर इन 30 दिनों में एक दोबारा वो होप जाग चुकी है that I can go bang on with this career as well. Thank you so much for the evaluations, जो मैंने शायद कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि ये मेरी कमी हो सकती है.
ऑनलाइन 30-day कोर्स ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है अमेजिंग. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, बहुत कुछ सीख रहा हूँ. जो अपनी स्ट्रेंथ थी वो पता चली, जो अपनी वीकनेसेस थी उन पे काम किया. वीडियो बनाई, डे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 और आज डे 26 हो गया. लेकिन आज भी ऐसे लगता है जैसे कल की बात हो. अभी ऑथर शेरी ने हमें ग्रुप का इनविटेशन भेजा हो और हम अभी नए सीख रहे हो, अभी हमारा दिन स्टार्ट हुए हैं, एक करते हुए हम कैसे 26वें दिन पर पहुंच गए हमें पता ही नहीं चला। यस, वी हैव लर्न अ लॉट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में, स्टोरी टेलिंग, वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, वॉइस रेंज, कॉन्फिडेंस और बहुत सी चीजें हमें सीखने को मिली। ऑथर शेरी के कमेंट्स हमारे वीडियोस पे करना, रात को देर तक बैठना, उनके ऑडियो मैसेजेस भेजना, उनका ये सब गोल्स की तरफ अपनी फोकस देखकर हमें भी स्ट्रेंथ मिलती थी और एक जज्बा मिलता था कि हमें भी लगे रहना है। वीडियो बनाने के बाद हमेशा वेट होती थी कब ऑथर शेरी का कमेंट आ जाए, 10 कमेंट आ जाए, अच्छे कमेंट आ जाए, लेकिन जब तक ऑथर शेरी का कमेंट नहीं आता था सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं होती थी कि उनका कमेंट आए तो हम कुछ और आगे उसमें इंप्रूवमेंट करें। उस एक कमेंट के लिए मैं ही नहीं, उम्मीद करता हूं सब वेट करते रहते थे। कुछ लोग तो ऑथर शेरी को पर्सनल मैसेज भी डालते हैं कि सर मेरे वीडियो पे कमेंट करो, मेरा वीडियो आपने वैल्यूएशन नहीं किया, पर हम भूल जाते हैं उन्हें हमारा अकेले का नहीं बाकी और 100 लोगों का भी वीडियो एवेल्युएट करना है। तो मेरी ये जर्नी ऑनलाइन की बहुत बढ़िया रही, बहुत लर्निंग करी उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस से। जो उनका एक्सपीरियंस था प्लस हमारा जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो 1 साल और ऐड हो गया और उनके साथ में हम जुड़े रहेंगे और आगे ये लर्निंग करते रहेंगे।
This what you saw in the beginning was me till almost day 15, day 17। मतलब रोज के एटलीस्ट मुझे याद है 15 टेक तो मैं लेती ही थी, क्योंकि मुझे होता ही नहीं था, मुझसे बोला ही नहीं जाता था। मेरी कब स्टार्टिंग गड़बड़ हो जाती थी, कंटेंट गड़बड़ हो जाता, कुछ ना कुछ। बट कहते हैं ना, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट, वही किया मैंने। टुडे ऑन डे 26 आई कैन प्राउडली से दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टेक ऑफ वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो द लास्ट। तो ये जो कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा है, ये जो चीजें सीखी है, ये इस कोर्स के थ्रू ही सीखी है। माई एक्सपीरियंस इफ आई से हैव अ वेरी स्मॉल अटेंशन स्पैन, आई गेट बोर्ड वेरी इजीली। मेरा कंसिस्टेंसी लेवल बहुत खराब है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू पीपल। तो मतलब अगर मैं टीवी भी देख रही हूँ तो मैं 10 मिनट तक कोई मूवी देखूंगी एंड देन आई चेंज द चैनल, क्योंकि मुझे दूसरी मूवी देखनी होती है, मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ इतने जल्दी। फॉर अ पर्सन लाइक मी टू गेट कंसिस्टेंट, to be glued down, to be focused on one thing properly for 1 month is a big achievement in itself। और कहते हैं किसी भी आदत को डेवलप होने के लिए 21 दिन का समय लगता है, और ये कोर्स 21 दिन से ज्यादा रहा है, 30 दिनों का है। तो मुझ में अब वो आदत भी डेवलप हो चुकी है कि मैं रोज वीडियो बनाऊं, क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने कभी कैमरा फेस नहीं किया था। और एक्साइटमेंट रहती थी रोज कि नया क्या टॉपिक आएगा, शेरी सर क्या नया टॉपिक देंगे, क्या रिसर्च, बिकॉज द रिसर्च यू पुट इन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इससे ना कि आपकी नॉट ओनली आपकी स्पीच एनहांस होगी बट ऑल्सो आपका दिमाग का नॉलेज कितना बढ़ेगा, जो आगे कितना काम आएगा, दिस थिंग। फिर उसके बाद आई वुड से आज मेरे ख्याल से व्हाट्सएप पे शेरी सर ने कहा कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में जब आप एंटिसिपेट करने लग जाओ तो उसका मजा ही खत्म है कि अब आगे क्या होगा। और सर ना रोज नहीं, क्या कहते हैं, गुगली कहते हैं शायद क्रिकेट की भाषा में, आई डोंट हैव मच नॉलेज अबाउट इट स्टिल, कि गुगली डालते थे कि भाई मतलब आज ये नया टॉपिक, कल वो, कभी अनएक्सपेक्टेड, कभी थोड़ा सा एक्सपेक्टेड। बट इंटरव्यू, प्रेजेंटेशन, ये सारी चीजें अनदर लेवल के जो हमने कभी नहीं की है। तो वो एड्रेनलिन रश होना, वो एक्साइटमेंट होना, हर दिन नया एक्साइटमेंट होता था।
Made me stand still literally in all the ways when, I mean, look at us, we are 26 days ahead and here we are like better in every possible way. But one thing which got highlighted about my own self, and I really want to take this up because eventually it's all about making yourself better, making yourself grow in many areas. I found myself that the quest of having that learning curve in me was to be able to realize that I do not fear to bend. I do not have that issues to, probably go a step back, to go 2 steps ahead in life. I'm ready to bend over and over again. Why? Because that is my strength and hence I will never break. This is what speaks about me, because that's how growth is invited in one's life. And this is yet again, I mean, I'm 29 right now. This is yet again a feature that I got in me again after so many years of working in professional and, cooperative lands. Here I am yet again a student of life and experiencing this bliss that I was experiencing back in my school. And I find myself, I always will grow. This beautiful feeling of being able to bend and not break is something that got me in the end, that yes, this is the understanding and this is the prime feature of this whole experience. And guess what? You're gonna be more effective in every aspect of our life, in every profession we are going to land up to. Not only profession, but even in our personal relationships, we are going to be able to lend our ears to grow. You never know which evaluation makes you better, right? So that has been a great gratitude experience for me. Thank you so much.
Post, and they used to wait for author series comment and evaluation. This is a beautiful journey from nothing to something. Yes, I started feeling that I have become something, because the fear of camera, the fear of stage was always with me, and I used to always admire and would always be inspired by people who used to talk on the stage, or who used to hold the mic and speak continuously, or a host. This was always I wanted to do, but I feel now I will be able to do all these things. And I would say during this experience, the Sunday mentorship program by Author Seri is the most beautiful thing, or the most educating thing. During that, we get lots of inputs for individuals, and by hearing lot of other participants' views, comments and their doubts, that doubt clearing session is really helpful, and it is the day we all are waiting for. And I would also say that this confidence through PSU will take me to a different level.
Just fabulous. Though when I sat to decide what am I going to speak today, I was actually short of words, because this journey I think I will never ever be able to forget. The way Sherry sir has just given us the areas of improvement and the phrases that has raised our confidence and morale to speak in front of you all. Wonderful guy. The way he has just given a chance to pay tribute to our mentors, to realize the value of our families, sent us to a holiday during lockdown, to pray gratitude to our God, to stay connected with Him, to stay away from ego and negativity, to learn to keep a check on our intentions of our actions. Wonderfully, He has helped us to find what we are from within, what passion we hold, and how are we going to get that passion fulfilling our dreams. I told you, right, that a mentor is the one who not only helps you to see those dreams, but he holds your hand and lives those dreams. And he's not only living the dream of one, but he's actually living the dream of hundreds of members in PSU family. Hats off to him.
Course. Communication is one thing that we all are doing every day and everywhere. May it be our neighbors, children, parents, colleagues, boss, anybody. But when you need to speak in front of the world, when you need to keep your thoughts in front of the world, you need to learn some skills of communicating. And that's what I learned in Public Speaking University. When I landed to this course, I had no vision. And when I made my first video on 20th July, believe me, my hands and speech both were shivering. But somehow I posted my video with the thought that I'm not going to make any more videos. That's it. Next day in the comment box, when I got my evaluation from my mentor and I read the word praises, I smiled and I made my second video. That's how the journey went till date. And in this journey, with every passing day and with every video making, I learned so much. I gained so much of confidence. I started loving myself on camera. I came to know that every word that we say to others can be made important to our audience just by bringing a change in our voice modulations, our pitches, where to go high, where to go low. And the most important thing, whatever you say should be truthful, should be coming from your heart. Then only it will be impactful. That one thing I really learned from this public speaking course. If your content, if your speech, if your thoughts are logical and truthful, they are definitely going to connect your audience with you. One more interesting thing that I learned is storytelling. I always used to think that storytelling is to make the kids sleep by nannies and dadis, but no. Storytelling is very important in this public speaking. It binds your audience with you and your speech till the end. And I learned how to make your storytelling so impactful. How to create interest in your audience by using this skill of storytelling.
You know, the mentor has come in and he has used certain words. He said, "Yaar, aapka awaaz bahut acha hai, but voice modulation, voice range, emotions, feelings, gestures, कंटेंट और डिलीवरी और कहानी अच्छे से बोलना, स्टोरी टेलिंग, ऑडियंस को एंगेज करना." और जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो, मैंने बोला कि सर क्या बोल रहे हैं, बट उस टाइम में मैं समझ गया. देयर इज अ वेरी ग्रेट से, अगर एक चारकोल को, कोयला को हीरा बनने का है, it has to undergo lot of pressure, lot of struggles, lot of turbulences. And I am very happy that the day I started, and that day, 20th July 2020, for me, it is as important as 15th August 1947, or even today, 15th August 2020, because that is where I found another family and another mentor who are a part of me now. And I know the progress I am making. It is work in progress, but I can definitely tell you, I have become a much bigger, much better man than what I was on 20th July. But एक बात मैं समझ गया, ये पूरा परिवार को आप देख रहे हैं ना, ये जो सीढ़ियां चढ़ा रहा है, ऊपर जो बैठ के बुला रहा है, वो है हमारा मेंटर ऑथर शेरी. And I am very happy to have got this kind of a family, PSU family.